Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tejas Wagmare. You're watching Feel and welcome to Super Vlog. So today we are at Motorsaki Kawasaki Thane and there is a launch event and Mr. Sohail Merchant, who is the brand's manager, you have seen him in the previous video. So we'll go inside and Sohail will quickly guide us about what today's event is. So let's hop in!
So, good evening friends, welcome to Motorsaki Motorcycles. Today we are here for the launch of the new 2022 Ninja 650 and also we are here to launch the Vulcan S. So basically there are new colors which have been introduced to the bike. Kawasaki हर साल September October में नए colors लाती है. So Ninja 650 has got a very good color. थोड़ा हम Ninja 650 के बारे में brief में बात करेंगे. Ninja 650 came in India in 2010. That was when Bajaj had their partnership with Kawasaki. उस टाइम पे सुपर बाइक्स का S भी पब्लिक को नहीं पता था. 2010 till 2012 उनका जो फर्स्ट वेरिएंट था was had a single seat. 2012 में they discontinued, they bought in the facelift which is this one. So the model standing right here is the 2016 but 2012 का जो addition था was a complete green color bike. They made a few changes to the bike, they add on split seats to the bike, they changed the brake calipers to Tokiko. पहले वाली बाइक्स के brake caliper not that great. थोड़ा सा लोग ने weight पे काम किया है, they have made work on the looks, they have made it more sharper. It was there till 2016. Okay, BS3 का issue आ गया, then came the BS4. And BS4 2016-17 again there was a huge transformation for Kawasaki because that was the time when Bajaj and Kawasaki decided to split. And 2017 onwards Kawasaki came on its own and they bought in a completely new 650 which is this one. So is 650 और उस 650 में 70% has been changed. Right from the chassis, tank, alloy wheels, brakes, swing arm, display, this bike also received an ABS. They made this bike so user friendly that even a starter वो इसको आराम से चला सकता था. Okay. The new model which we'll be unveiling right now has got add-on features. It comes out with the TFT screen. The best addition which I felt, it comes with LED headlights and LED की वजह से both the headlights remain on low beam. This bike has got a Rideology app, so it will be connected to your phone. PS6 होने की वजह से it's a little smoother. It's a beautiful color. You'll be seeing it now in a few moments. Before that, I'd like to call Sachin first to give a small brief about the model which we owned.
तो मेरे पास ये वाला मॉडल था 12 को खरीदा था, तो मुझे डेट याद है ऑन 12 दिसंबर 2012. देखते ही मतलब फील हुआ कि ये बाइक खरीदना है. आई चेक्ड ऑल द डिटेल्स एंड आई गॉट इट. एंड दैट टाइम मेरी शादी नहीं हुई थी और ये बाइक इतना जॉयस था टू राइड एंड इट वाज सो इजी टू गेट ऑन एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट राइडिंग. मैंने मेरे जिंदगी के 4.5 years जो इसके साथ बिताए, आई थिंक दोज वर माय मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मोमेंट्स. एंड मैंने इसे सिक्किम, भूटान, उत्तराखंड सारे माउंटेन्स पे भी लेके गया हूँ. बीवी के साथ 7,500 किलोमीटर भी चलाई. आई हैवंट हैड अ चांस टू राइड द BS6 one, but yeah, I'm sure it will be nice. So thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, Sohail bhai. Thanks to Motorsaki. Thanks to Manoj. Talking about the bike, to enter into a super bike segment at 650 was my dream. Actually speaking, the power which this gives, like Sachin said, is awesome. I just love this bike. Whenever I ride this, I've taken this to the worst roads in the last year. Cornering is absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. You go into the corners and you turn this bike, it will respond you the way you want. Absolutely perfect. Maintenance wise and taking care of this bike is very simple. It is a super bike. It's a lovely bike and of course ride safe, ride hard and take 650. That will be my first preference.
Thank you, Sohail. Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Om, and just about 3-4 months back, Ninja 650 Lee. So I'm like just about 2,000 kilometers driven on that bike. Just right before the first service, I rode close to 1,700 kilometers. So you can imagine how excited I was, right? Amazing ride quality, so far so good. Thank you. By the way, Sachin, right? I'm getting some inspiration from you. I'll take my wife as well.
We'd like to call all the 650 owners, Mr. Om Prakash, Sachin and Bharat. We'll do the unveiling. Come. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, loves that I'm a goat. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.